What's going on, y'all? It's James with the game, and today it's my first week back, y'all. Actually, my second week back. You see the knuckles, right? We getting busy. Second week back, we getting busy. We grinding hard. The goal is to bigger lawnmower real quick and a truck. Gotta get the truck, man. Like I told y'all, I don't hide enough. I did some goofiness, sold my truck, and just couldn't bounce back. But I got it, I'm focused, and I'm bouncing back. So that's really all it's about. Because guess what? I never lost my clients. I still got all my clients. So it ain't that bad. And it's definitely not that bad. You know what I mean? So that's what this video is about, guys. Recognizing what you got. Working with what you got. You know what I mean? We be sitting around like, damn, man, I need this and I need that. Sometimes you gotta stop, think, and just, man, do a quick little audit. You know what I mean? And the first thing I said was, I'm broke, I'm hit, but I got over 100 clients that's going to be calling my phone starting in April. And sure enough, broke where? You know what I'm saying? Right back at it. So it's like, never really trip over money, man. It come and it go. The big thing is, right, because we can get the money. It's never been a problem getting money. The problem is, what are you doing when you get the money? And that seems to be my problem. So now, I don't have that problem no more. We not even playing that no more, yo. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, it's James with the game. I just wanted to tap in with you guys before I start my day. I gotta do a bush job. I gotta do a mulch job tomorrow. We got a lot of jobs to do. I was doing 10 a day. I cut it to 5 today because the one job gonna have me there for a nice little minute. So that's what we on right now. So it's game time. I appreciate everybody tapping in. And what I've been doing is I've been recording for a week. And then I'm dropping. So this is all 1 week right here, guys. Just getting it in. You know what I mean? So let's get to it. And also, guys, y'all gotta understand, I'm cutting grass, recording, editing, making thumbnails, making artwork, dropping it. Yo, I'm doing all this. Like, seriously, like, no joke. I'm doing, you know what I mean? So, yeah. It's game time, y'all. Let's get